let's try WAIWAI brand instant noodles sour soup flavor. Hey guys, welcome back to an episode of CS Flavors MSG Mondays. Today we're trying some noodles from Thailand. Yes, lots of variety lately, which is awesome, which I picked up here from my Southeast Asian market. And this one here, the sour soup flavor. We're on that sour soup trend right now, so enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, these are our noodles here. So I'm sorry, these noodles got a little bit broken here, but we've got our noodle block, and then we have our liquid sachet sauce. We're gonna go ahead and add the hot water, which I also forgot to film, adding in your sauce packet, giving it a bit of stir, let it cook for 3 minutes, and here we are. Let's go ahead and dig in. So this finished product, let's go ahead and give it a try. Sour soup indeed. This one here has a really strong hint with the regular Thai flavors like lemongrass. We have a lot of lime. It's quite zesty in this one as well. I wouldn't say it's as zesty as other Thai instant noodles that I've had before like Mama, but this one is a nice, decent flavor for that little tiny pack. It also packs a little bit of heat as well. I would say this nicely lingering on the mild side. A little bit of burn at the tip of your tongue, which is a nice surprise and definitely unexpected. These noodles here, again, as I've reviewed WAIWAI noodles recently, again, these noodles are really like stiff. They're not super slurpable to me. Again, what can you expect from a 3-minute noodle? But again, we've had some success with some 3-minute noodles. What's going on here? But just a little bit too rough for me. I would love something a bit softer, something that with more slurpability and less stiffness in the noodle, in my opinion. But with that being said, the broth is like, again, the winner here. You just get the liquid sachet with it. There's no other flakes that come with it, nor is there anything that's embedded within that liquid sachet. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 2.5 out of 5. It's a good flavor, but not good enough. I wouldn't say super memorable, but I do love that surprising heat at the end and the wonderful zestiness and lemongrass, just really, really full of flavor. I could use a bit more flavor, but that's just me. But is this something I would buy again? Probably not. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!